This 2024 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultimate 3221 RLSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Indianapolis, Indiana 46203 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Indianapolis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.